Welcome to YouthfulMD Lab Kits, the future of convenient and efficient wellness testing. Our in-office and at-home lab kits are specifically designed to support wellness, with targeted panels for GLP-1, HRT Male, HRT Female, and overall health. We also offer customizable kits tailored to the unique testing needs of your practice. Powered by proprietary single-use blood lancing technology, YouthfulMD Lab Kits eliminate the need for phlebotomy by obtaining microliter capillary whole blood samples. This makes lab testing simpler, more efficient, and accessible for both providers and patients. Discover how YouthfulMD is transforming lab testing for both in-office and at-home settings. Unlock the power of convenient lab testing with YouthfulMD's easy-to-use kits. Whether in office or at home, our kits make the process seamless. Office staff can easily collect samples, or patients can take the kits home and mail them back to the lab. Say goodbye to the need for specialized staff and complicated scheduling. Experience a new era of efficient and accessible lab testing with YouthfulMD. YouthfulMD Lab Kits offer numerous benefits for your practice. There's no need for phlebotomists, as anyone in the office can administer the tests. Patients have the flexibility of at-home testing with mail-in convenience. Enjoy streamlined logistics and sample collection, along with fast, accurate, and secure results. Choose YouthfulMD Lab Kits for a hassle-free lab testing experience. Lab testing has never been easier with YouthfulMD. Empower your office staff to collect blood samples effortlessly, without the need for specialized training. Alternatively, hand the kit directly to patients for at-home collection, where they can easily follow the instructions and mail the sample back to the lab. The entire process is simple, convenient, and designed to fit into any schedule. This flexibility not only enhances patient satisfaction, but also streamlines your clinic's operations, reducing the burden on your team. YouthfulMD makes lab testing more accessible, efficient, and adaptable for everyone involved. At YouthfulMD, we offer a range of wellness lab kits designed to support a variety of patient needs. From GLP-1 testing for metabolic management to hormone replacement therapy, HRT panels for both male and female patients, our kits provide comprehensive insights for personalized care. In addition, we offer an overall wellness kit that covers a wide array of health markers. For practices with unique testing requirements, we can even customize lab kits to suit specific patient profiles. These easy-to-use kits streamline the testing process, making it convenient for both providers and patients. The process with YouthfulMD is straightforward. First, the test is ordered for the patient. The kit is then sent directly to the patient or administered in office. Blood samples are collected using our applicator and mailed to the lab via a prepaid label. Results are securely available online, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Track progress in real time using YouthfulMD's integrated provider portal. Access patient lab results easily through our secure system. Integration with your existing practice is seamless. This ensures accurate tracking and management of lab results. Stay informed and keep your practice running smoothly with YouthfulMD Lab Kits. Provide a better patient experience with our painless, needle-free blood collection technology. YouthfulMD kits utilize a proprietary single-use blood lancing device that allows for easy microliter capillary whole blood sample collection, eliminating the need for a phlebotomist. The process is simple. Patients or staff can administer the test with ease, whether in office or at home. YouthfulMD kits exceed industry standards in convenience and completion rates. Patients appreciate the comfort and simplicity of the testing process, which leads to higher satisfaction and better compliance. Enhance your patient care and streamline lab testing with YouthfulMD Lab Kits. Focus on patient care while YouthfulMD handles the logistics of sample collection and processing. Our streamlined approach ensures faster, more accurate results. With direct portal access, you can easily retrieve your patient's lab results in real time. Our seamless connection with lab partners ensures the entire process is streamlined, making it more efficient for both providers and patients. This allows you to dedicate more time to patient care. Choose YouthfulMD for efficient lab testing solutions. Boost patient satisfaction with convenient testing options. Increase revenue by offering both in-office and at-home kits. Reduce overhead costs as no phlebotomists or special training are required. Implementation is fast and simple for your clinic. Experience the proven benefits of YouthfulMD Lab Kits. Ready to revolutionize wellness lab testing in your office? Contact us today to learn more or get started. Reach us at 844-LABS-4MD or email us at info@youthfulmd.com. Thank you for considering YouthfulMD Lab Kits. For pricing and details, scan the QR code to book a demo call if you have any further questions. If you're ready to order your wellness lab kits, simply scan the QR code to place your order. We look forward to partnering with you to enhance your lab testing capabilities and provide a seamless experience for both your staff and patients. Join us in revolutionizing the future of lab testing today.